Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the 7 amazing tools I was going to tell. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी बाकी के बच्चों के 4 AI tools के बारे में. So without any delay, let's just start with the video. Now before I jump into the next one, let me introduce you to Flow. This is from a company called Speechmatics. They've been leading the speech technology space for over a decade now. And Flow is a brand new conversational AI API tool. And this is completely different than other models. Even the best models from OpenAI can't keep up with some of the things that Flow can do. Let me show you a quick demo and then I'll show you a couple of videos they have on how this is really different than anything that's available right now.
Hello there, how's it going?
Hey, it's good going right now. What are you up to?
Oh, just here to chat with you. Anything exciting happening today?
Yeah, I'm making a YouTube video right now about some top AI tools.
That sounds interesting. What kind of AI tools are you featuring?
You know, just things about creating real-time voice conversations right now.
Ah, brilliant. Real-time voice tech is fascinating. Are you focusing on any specific applications?
Okay, well, I'm focusing on Flow right now. Now, there's 3 things that really sets Flow apart, especially if you're using the API to build any type of app using voice. One of them, they actually compared OpenAI. OpenAI, obviously behind ChatGPT, one of the leading AI platforms out there, versus Flow. And this is really interesting. So it could actually recognize different speakers using their voices. And in this demo right here, I'll go ahead and link this below. OpenAI does not get this right. So the second time they come around, it doesn't get it right. But when they use Flow, it remembers everyone by name, and then when they talk again, it knows who's speaking. OpenAI failed in this test. Now they also built this to understand different accents and dialects, something the other models I've tested out completely struggled with. So this is really going to make it accessible to a wider audience. And this one was my favorite option. So in this example, OpenAI, when 2 people are talking in the background, it just kept getting interrupted, it kept pausing itself, but when they use Flow to do the exact same thing, it ignored the background conversations. Makes it a whole lot more useful, especially in a busy environment. Now they have tons of demos you could see on their website that I'll go ahead and link below, and you could get started with their API and try it for free. The next one on my list is from a company called HeyGen that makes AI avatars. This is not a free tool though. There's a new option inside HeyGen called Generate Looks, and it's really interesting. You could generate an AI avatar using multiple photos. You could generate from a single text prompt, or you could add motion to a photo avatar. In this case, I'm going to generate from a text prompt. Now this is kind of a big upgrade because right now with HeyGen you could clone yourself and you have a library of avatars that they created that you could build, but now you could describe by generating from a text prompt right here. So I could type in a name, I could pick an age, I could choose a gender, and I could choose an ethnicity, and then I could go ahead and describe my avatar. Okay, doctor in blue scrubs, hospital setting, smiling, short black hair. I could do full body, upper body, or just a face. I could choose an orientation, portrait's fine. Let's generate. I got 4, let me choose one here just to show you how it looks like. Okay, this looks great. It followed my prompt exactly, and then I could go ahead and take this to HeyGen AI Studio, create a portrait video, and over here I could type in my script, and then this avatar is going to read exactly what that is. And as soon as I go ahead and submit this for a job, it will then render out an entire video over here.
Let's talk about a simple habit that can make a big difference: drinking enough water. Did you know staying hydrated helps your body function better, keeps your skin looking fresh, and even boosts your energy levels?
Okay, that's not bad, but this doctor is smiling way too much. I think maybe a subtle smile would be something I would do in a follow-up prompt. Generate another image and then recreate another video. I could turn on the captions here, really powerful way to create exactly what you want out of your character. Instead of using ones from HeyGen library, now there's also a brand new large language model that somehow I missed. It came out about 4 or 5 weeks ago. This is called Pixtral, and this is a multi-modal model, meaning it could understand images on top of understanding and writing text. And this is from a company called Mistral, so you could use it on this website. It is totally free. It is an open source model. It's called chat.mistral.ai, and the best model available is called Mistral Large 2. And I like this for reasoning, I like this for coding, and it's a really great free open source model. But Pixtral is a new model. This one understands images, and I'll show you a demo. I'll upload a file. This image depicts a group of people sitting around a long table in a modern professional setting, more details about the colors and so on. So anytime you need something where you need to extract text, this comes in handy for any multi-modal type of use case with a large language model. So I used ChatGPT for things like this, but now you have it inside of a free and open source model from the company Mistral. Now I'll finish up with an app that I've had on my phone for 4 years, but I use it a little bit differently now. This is called Otter.ai, and they released a brand new thing inside there called Otter AI Chat. Now before I show you the Otter AI Chat, which is the new option, Otter AI is one of the best tools for work because it integrates with Slack and it also integrates with Zoom, for example, or Microsoft Teams. So when you're having a video conference calls, it will be your AI assistant inside of those calls. So I use it for that already. But what's really nice in this Otter new AI Chat is that now all your conversations from Zoom, Google Meet, those Microsoft Team calls, they go into this platform's website, and then you could have a conversation directly here using the AI Chat. I'll show you with this demo account. So in this conversation, he created this actions item list for the Zoom call. He created an outline. He pulled in the entire transcript of who's talking, exactly what they said. And on the left side, I could see what did Lisa say about Otter. And according to the transcript, Lisa said, I started using Otter a few months ago and it saved me a ton of time by taking manual notes. And you could see all the different times Lisa mentioned Otter in the transcript. So imagine having a chat, an AI powered chat with your own Zoom meetings. This will join the meetings as a little AI assistant. It will then take the transcript. It will then give you the action items in the summary. So all that is really good, but the ability now to chat with your own Zoom conversations, with your own Teams conversation, really a fantastic upgrade. And that's it for today. Do subscribe the YouTube channel of Digic Infotech Private Limited and like and share the video. And if you want to know about more such amazing AI tools, here are some more videos appearing on your screen which you might find helpful.